Tired of marketing campaigns feeling like herding cats? Let's unlock the secret to effortless campaign management by integrating Campaign Manager with Zapier first. Understand that Campaign Manager is where you strategize, execute, and analyze your campaigns. Zapier acts as the bridge, automating tasks between Campaign Manager and other essential apps. Consider lead generation. When a new lead fills out a form on your website, Zapier can automatically send that lead's information to Campaign Manager to set this up. In Zapier, create a new Zap. Choose your lead capture form map as the trigger. For example, it could be Typeform or Google Forms. Then, select Campaign Manager as the action app. Carefully map the data fields from your lead capture form to the corresponding fields in Campaign Manager. This ensures that the information lands in the correct place. Next, let's talk about email marketing. When a new contact is added to Campaign Manager, Zapier can trigger an automated welcome email sequence in your email marketing platform, such as MailChimp or Sendinblue. In Zapier, use Campaign Manager as the trigger, selecting the new contact trigger event. Then, choose your email marketing platform as the action app, selecting the action to add a new subscriber. Again, map the relevant data fields, such as email address and first name, to ensure seamless synchronization. Data synchronization is another powerful use case. Zapier can automatically update campaign data in your spreadsheets, databases, or CRM based on changes within Campaign Manager, guaranteeing real-time insights. By automating these workflows, you'll eliminate manual data entry, reduce errors, and free up valuable time to focus on strategic campaign initiatives, ultimately leading to improved campaign performance. Enjoy your now streamlined and efficient campaigns.